2 safety chain holders, hole cover and storage bag included. Ball rated for 30,000 pounds capacity. Lift and turn lever to unlock and remove ball. Lever inside ball head activates ball bearing locking system. Fits Ford F250, F350, F450 with factory-installed O-rail system or Reese Elite Series aftermarket rails number 30126, number 30868, number 30852. Fit type. Universal fit. Includes 1 each 2-5/16 pop-in ball, 1 each storage bag, 2 each safety chain attachments, 1 each hole cover. Top reviews from the United States. True Reese product. Despite the thought that these are knockoffs, they are true Reese products. Reese hitches are not made in the USA, but they are designed in the USA. Reese is owned by parent company Horizon Global, who also owns the Draw-Tite brand. Reese trailer hitches are currently being rebranded under the Draw-Tite name and are made in Mexico.